We cut open, I cut through the thoracic region around the chest and also the abdominal region. All right? So if we look here at what was once covering the animal, we see the layer of skin here, all right, and muscle underneath. Now, what you don't see is or what we haven't talked about is the mesentery tissue. Mesentery tissue is the tissue that holds a lot of skin together. If I stretch the small bowels apart, you'll see clear, thin tissue. It's not so apparent here as it was in some of the other ones. But it's this thin tissue on the inside of the muscle. This thin tissue on the inside of the muscle. All right? Now, this clearly is the small intestines, the small bowels. All right? Notice how long that must be if it were to be stretched out.
Let's do it.
We should do that. Not even try to be funny. We should do that.
Yeah, shouldn't we?
What is the function of the small intestine?
To get rid of waste. What?
Get nutrients.
To absorb nutrients through the villi in the small intestine. That's not something we're going to be able to see. But Thursday, when I take apart the pig further, I'm going to give you an exterior view and an interior view of these different organs, and I'm going to send you around with a sheet of paper, and I want you to identify them. So pay attention. At that time, you might see the villi, but if I were to cut open the small intestine, you're not going to see them right now. This is the heart right here, okay? This is the heart right underneath the sternum that we cut through here. Here's a good example of mesentery tissue. All right? What is this then? The multi-lobed organ of the lungs. Very good, very good. Down here is the muscle that runs beneath the lungs and contracts and expands, right, to allow